Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video introduces the topic and breaks it down into clear, easy points to understand. Feijoada is more than a bowl of stew. It is usually part of a full plate with rice, greens, crunchy farofa, and bright orange slices. The mix of flavors and textures is what makes a feijoada meal feel complete. Think of it as a slow, relaxed way to eat. People scoop some beans and meat, grab a forkful of rice, then crunch into farofa or a slice of orange. Every bite is a small remix of the same core ingredients. Flavor, texture, and what to expect from a bowl of feijoada. The first thing you notice is the smoky, savory smell. The flavor is salty, rich, and warm, with a gentle garlic and onion base. The broth is thick, not watery, because the beans break down and coat the spoon. The texture is a mix. Some beans stay whole, others turn creamy. The meat falls apart or offers a soft chew, depending on the cut. It might remind you of chili, cassoulet, or other slow-cooked stews, but with its own clear personality from black beans and Brazilian seasonings. You should not expect a very spicy dish by default. Heat usually comes from hot sauce added at the table, not from the stew itself. Traditional feijoada side dishes and drinks. A classic feijoada plate almost always includes rice, farofa, which is toasted cassava flour sometimes cooked with butter or small bits of bacon, sautéed collard greens sliced thin, orange slices, and maybe a small bowl of hot sauce. The rice soaks up the thick broth. Farofa adds crunch and a nutty taste. Greens bring a fresh, slightly bitter note that helps balance the fat in the stew. Oranges clean your palate and keep the meal from feeling too heavy. For drinks, people enjoy fresh fruit juice, soda, cold beer, or a caipirinha for adults. The light, bright drinks match well with such a hearty stew. How to try feijoada food at home or in a restaurant. You do not have to be in Rio or Sao Paulo to enjoy feijoada. With a bit of planning, you can taste it at a local Brazilian spot or cook a simpler version in your own kitchen. Both options work well. Eating out shows you how Brazilians serve the full meal. Cooking at home lets you control how rich or light you want it. Tips for ordering feijoada at a Brazilian restaurant. On many menus, feijoada sits in the typical dishes or house specialties section. Some places only serve it on weekends, so it helps to check before you go. In rodizio or buffet-style restaurants, you may see a large pot of feijoada where you serve yourself. If it is your first time, ask the server a few quick questions. You can ask how salty it is, how fatty the meat is, and whether they can offer a smaller portion or a sampler plate. Some versions include more unusual cuts, like ears or feet, while others use only sausage and ribs. Share a large portion with a friend, then taste the stew with all the side dishes so you get the full experience. That completes the first part. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.